For anyone who's interested in the songwriting process, here we are, Rob and Brett, writing something.
Hello.
Hey, do you want to be on video?
No.
He does not want to be on video. So this is just, he's writing lyrics and I'm writing music, and so it's just a process. Okay, I'm just gonna let it run, and whatever you hear, you hear.
I like being the disembodied voice of your followers.
I don't have a song to sing. Your singing makes a song. I think that's the right note. Your singing makes a song. No, too high. Singing makes a song.
Yeah, that feels like uniform in a sense.
Your singing makes a song.
You could do something else with this song.
Huh?
Do something else with this song.
Makes a song. Singing makes a song.
No, actually, maybe the first way was clearer in terms of
Singing makes a song.
Yeah.
Singing makes a song. It could go to the 5. Your singing makes a song. Yeah, that's nice. That's nice. I don't have a song to sing. You're singing. Okay, so you're singing. I don't have a song to sing. Your singing makes a song. Makes a song. Your singing makes a song. That feels weird. I don't know. It feels weird. Makes a song.
Is that what you tried that one, right?
Yeah, singing makes a song.
But maybe that de-emphasizes the word song.
Yeah, it almost sounds like a throwaway.
Makes a song. Maybe your first instinct was right. Makes a song. Yeah, that's good. Because it is at the one, it says that's what we were trying to resolve to. You made a song.
Yeah.
Right? That's the MT.
That's the MT.
Makes a song. Stability.
Yeah.
That's what we were talking
Stability, right. Stability. Yeah. But it's not the tonic. Because the one thing that I want to avoid...
You're right.
Huh?
It's a 5.
Well, no. I mean, I didn't go to the 5.
Song.
That's the 1. It's the 1, but it's the 4 chord underneath it.
The chord.
The chord. It's the 4 chord underneath it.
Not the tonic.
Huh?
Tonic refers to harmony, not melody.
Both.
Thank you, audience. I was referring to the note.
Gotcha.
The 1.
Gotcha. Yes, the note is the 1.
I was right. Thank you.
But what I want to avoid is the use of the tonic chord until we're making something more.
Yeah.
I want to delay the tonic.
That's the 4.
That's the 4. Song.
You can do that, yeah.
Yeah.
That's nice. Singing makes a song. That word.
Yeah.
Great. So we just went in a big circle, which is what you had played. And I was like, well, what if you changed it? And then there were a bunch of options, and I was like, I got it.
How about the way it was originally?
Great. No, sometimes
you gotta go through the journey. You know, it's all about the journey. We'll start on the tonic chord. I mean, I don't have a song to sing. Your singing makes a song. I haven't got a tune in mind. Just I don't want the right chord there. Strum. I'll sing along. Nope. I mean, it might be nice, I think, to go to the 5 at the end of that first stanza. Strum, I'll sing along, and da da, heard a song before. With every word and every note, we're making something more. It's interesting, right?
Something more.
Making.
I was thinking
Something more.
making.
I want to make sure it's.
Something more.
something.
I want to undersell the hook is what I'm thinking of. I'm trying to give it more emphasis, and that's almost it gives it a lot.
So don't come out from the bottom, come out from the top. I just don't want it to be too complicated a melody that people won't be able to catch on to. You know what I mean?
Making something more. That's fine. I think I probably just overthink this. Making some. Not that it's possible to overthink it, right, audience?
Making something. Making something.
We can worry about that later, I guess. That doesn't interrupt the structure of the song.
No, it doesn't. I mean, you're already. The hook is already doing like the way that G is hit. It's already hitting different. It's already making something more because we haven't had that G yet anywhere.
It does sound like the hook is making something more, but that's okay too.
What?
Maybe making something more is fine. As the perceived hook.
I see what you're saying.
Because right now it feels like making something more. Making something more.
Well, then the something should fall on that G, if you want to make that stand out. So we're making something more. You know, the something would have to go on that. Would have to.
That's interesting.
Right.
Making
something more.
It's pretty. Or you could do making something more. You think it's too complicated?
No, not necessarily. Making something more. It's something.
Making something more. That's nice. Do the one you just did.
Every word and every note, we're making something more. We're making something more. Dee-dee-dum, da-dee-dee-dum, we're making something more.
Because then at the end we have to switch out the word making.
And you wanted to, we could also switch we could also do a duplet on something. We're making something more. Making something more. Instead of da do da do da we da do da da da.
Just to make da da.
Just to sort of yeah.
We're making something more. As opposed to something more.
Yeah.
I mean, could it be both? Could it evolve to that?
Maybe. Making something more.
I definitely like the way that's set better.
Okay.
Something more. Because I think that the title has to be something more.
Yeah, that's fine. That works.
Because I'm going to switch out the word making when I'm talking about him. Becoming something more. Yeah.
Right.
So you don't want to get people to attach the word making.
Yeah. That makes sense.
Each tapestry is woven from 1,000 different threads, combining for a dazzling field of blues and golds and reds. Each strand assumes its place without or an I don't know.
1,000 different threads.
Oh, there's red.
For dancing field of blues and golds and reds. Each strand assumes its place.
I don't have all these words yet.
Yeah.
I'm going to fall off the cliff.
Assumes it's something place.
Don't drive down the highway when it's not paved yet.
I can't wait. I don't want to wait. Give me my words. Give me more words.
Each strand assigned a each single strand assumes its place without. I'm trying to say without knowing what's in store, but you know what? A strand is not personified, and then suddenly, if you're like halfway through this song, you're like, now the strands are all alive, and when we cut them, they scream. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Each single strand has dreams in you. You separate them from their parents, and you took the blues away from the other blues, and now they're with the red, and you're a monster!
You monster! You're a monster! Okay, what's this to start anyway? Okay, I think I'm gonna stop recording here. But there you go. There's a little a taste of the creative process at work.